how the examiner is actually scoring us and understand how to get those higher band scores. By the end of this lesson, you will know what band descriptors are and how the examiner uses them. You'll also understand what criteria the examiner uses to give you your final score. So how does the examiner give you your band score? Well, he uses these things called band descriptors, which tell them exactly what you need to do to score a band 6, band 7 or even higher. And we'll look at them now. The first of the band descriptors is task achievement, and that really does mean how well you can answer the question and give the main facts and information. Next up is coherence and cohesion, which means how well you organise your answer and link your thinking together. Then we have lexical resource, which means how advanced your vocabulary is and how well you can use it. And the last section of our band descriptors is grammatical range and accuracy. Here, the examiner will be looking for you to use a range of sentence types without making too many mistakes. So these are the 4 criteria that the examiner will be looking for in your writing. And if you can do well on all 4 of these sections, you'll get a high band score. Understanding how the examiner marks you will help you understand what skills you need to improve. Let's take a deeper look at each of these sections from the examiner's band descriptors. We'll begin by taking a look at how you are scored for task achievement, and here are the band descriptors from 6 to 9. In all IELTS tests, you are graded from 0 to 9, 9 being the highest. I'm going to concentrate on 6, 7, 8 and 9 because these are generally the marks needed for people to go to university or to get a job. If you'd like to read through the band descriptors, you can pause the video now. So, to score high in task achievement, you must do these things. You must give a full, detailed answer to the question. You must include an overview, which highlights the important information presented in the question. You also need to make sure you highlight the key features in the data shown. Your report must be accurate and your facts are all correct. And lastly, you must write over 150 words. Remember, any less than this and you will lose marks. Now we'll move on to the next section of the band descriptors. To score high in coherence and cohesion, you must follow these steps. You must be able to paraphrase effectively, and we'll be looking at this skill a lot more later in the course. You should be able to respond with a logical order, and again, we'll be looking at how you can order your answer for best marks. You need to use linking words to connect your sentences and paragraphs together. And you need to write in paragraphs, and again, I'll show you how you can order and write in a certain structure to score the best marks. Now let's see the band descriptors for lexical resource. To score highly here, you must use a wide range of vocabulary and not repeat yourself too often. There should be few errors in the use of your vocabulary and as well in your spelling. Try to use more advanced or less common vocabulary and as well understand how words are paired together. These are called collocations. For example, steep rise, quick rise, dramatic rise. Collocations are common word pairs and they can help you to score more marks in IELTS Writing Task 1. In grammatical range and accuracy, you must use a range of sentence types, and I'll be showing you examples of these later. There should be few errors in your writing. You must respond in the correct tense, and you can accurately use a range of punctuation in your writing. So, These are the 4 criteria that the examiner is looking for. And the more advanced you are in each of these criteria, the higher your score in IELTS Writing Task 1. Review your lesson notes, and if you feel confident, you can move on. But if you feel you may need more time, please start the lesson again, or you can use the Q&A section to ask for help. Let's move on to the next lesson.